Hi friends, I am Sampath. You are watching Sampath Science Fiction. Today I am going to unbox the smartphone known as OPPO F17, which I have purchased from Flipkart. Its price is 17,990, 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB internal storage. You have another variant also, 8 GB of RAM and same 128 GB storage. I have already unboxed this smartphone actually, but forgot to shoot video, so doing now again. It's a Flipkart unit actually. Opening the box, let's see what we have inside the box. We'll get smartphone itself. Some specifications are mentioned. It's super light smartphone. It feels like very light actually. We have some pamphlets, SIM ejector pin, and we get TPU case, I think. Yes, it's here, TPU case. And some manuals and warranty card. We also get earphones, Apple AirPods style earphones. That means we will get 3.5 headphone jack in the smartphone. And this is a type C cable with green accent colors. And this the hook charger, 30 watt. It's very big in size. That's it guys, nothing in the box. I'll keep this side and look on the smartphone itself. It feels super light actually, just 163 grams. I will turn on this smartphone. It gave me haptic feedback. This is a 3.5mm headphone jack, main microphone, USB Type-C port and speaker grill. And right side we have only power button. Top side we have secondary noise cancellation mic. And left side we have SIM ejector pin and volume up and down buttons. We have 6.44 inch Full HD plus AMOLED display. It powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor. It has 4015 mAh battery with 30 watt hook charger. Other specs on the screen you can look at out. It looks very good actually, the smartphone. This one I have silver white variant, I guess. There are 3 colors: dynamic orange, this one, and one more color. Let's check out SIM ejector. Okay, SIM configuration. We get dedicated micro SD card slot with 2 nano SIMs. We have this 4 camera arrays, 16 megapixel main and OPPO branding. In this smartphone you will get in-display fingerprint scanner. it works well. It also have face unlock, which is not secure. Use fingerprint sensor. This super AMOLED display. I'll keep the brightness, I think, low. You'll see some flickering, but in naked eyes you can't see it. Some of the bloatware apps are installed, like Netflix, Facebook and Amazon. Let's see if I can uninstall any app. Okay, yes, some apps you can uninstall. And okay, let's see, can we uninstall Netflix? Oh no, it cannot be uninstalled. Let's see inside about the phone. Okay, it comes with Android 10 out of the box. This is the Android 10. With September security badge. We have dark mode. Let's enable it. Oh, it's look nice because AMOLED display. It's not like any refresh rate we have here, just standard 60 Hz, no 120 Hz or 90 Hz. That you have to note. And guys, if you have any specific questions, do comment me. I will cover in next videos of this smartphone. Let's look at the camera settings. We have 5x, 2x, 1x and ultra wide angle mode, portrait mode. Night mode is also available. Let's look at selfie. We have same modes here also. Portrait mode. I will take some samples and I'll post in this video at the end of this video. Do check out. These are some other modes. Let's see, can we capture video in 4K or not? What? Only 1080p. That's it. Guys, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, subscribe channel and also give it a like if you like the video and share this video. This is a daylight shot. It looks good. Standard mode 16 megapixel. This standard mode, this wide angle 2x, 5x. This again same standard mode, wide angle 5x. And this HDR and AA enabled. And this super HD mode. and these are other samples. Now this backside camera, portrait mode, normal, and this front facing camera samples.